the string handling methods. So let me quickly show you something. Okay. So these are all about the constructors and all these stuff. These are highly advanced stuff in Python. We have it in the syllabus here. So this is the advanced part. Okay. So this yellow marks and all these are covered for some other batch. Okay, not for you. So see here, this constructors, inheritance, other stuff. Modules will be dealt. Okay, user-defined modules are there. So any queries for you, Satish or this guy, Rashid have any
No, I
queries?
don't. I don't have any queries. We can start now.
Yep.
We
Okay,
can
cool.
start.
So quickly, just let me. You know how Python can be downloaded? Let me tell you.
Yes, actually, I have downloaded Python and as well as I have installed Python also.
Python, no? Oh, great. That
Yeah.
sounds good. Because the other guy has also joined. So let me quickly tell. See, this is Python download. Just quickly select this 2.7.15. You will get an executable file. Install it. Simple. And how do you know? How do you know Python is downloaded and installed? So you have to go to this any of the. In my case, it is CMA users Python 27. So these are all the files. Okay, now what we have to do, PyCharm quick go and PyCharm downloading. So this is a first link. This is from JetBrains again. JetBrains is a company that has given us a PyCharm. Acha, did you download 2.7.15? Sashi and Satish.
Yes, correct.
Yeah, right, then it's fine. So download community edition, and then you will get an executable like this. Very simple. You need help, I will definitely do it. Okay, so but try it out. The other person. Okay, so where is my softwares? Here it is. See, here it is. Okay, this is PyCharm community edition. Select it, double click, install. Now my Python is installed, PyCharm is installed. Let me quickly start. Okay, so I'll start with say S1. Satish and Shashi, right? SS1.3, right? So print program to numbers. So how will I read? Read the data. Process the data. Print the results. What I'm saying is this hash is a single line command which will be ignored by Python interpreter. So I'm trying to read two numbers. Let's say I'll read your maths in maths science. So maths equal to input is a function which will help us to read. Enter your maths. Okay. This is optional. Okay. Now print. Print is the command that will help us to print. Right? Maths. Okay, great. Now I'll read your input and tell your science. Right? Science. Great. Great. Process the data. So what? So Control H is the saving. Right click. Why now? Running. Yep. Running. Maths में I'm going with an assumption you got 90. Science में 80. Yeah. Reading data using input because it's an integer data. Integer data, numeric data can be read using input function in Python. Now I'm processing the data. Processing में. Okay. So add the marks. Now what I will do, maths plus total. Great. Yeah. Equal to. So what I will do, total. But industry practice is to use brackets. Okay, I will explain print. Print total marks. Now printing the results के बाद just say print. Thanks. This is again optional. just to make sure that program has come to an end. Enter, I'll go with 60 and 80, 140. Perfect. So this is the plan. Now I want to do some beautification. Print like this. Right click. I'm ready. See? Now I could see. Now here /n is a new line character. Now I'll just say calculate the average marks. What I will do, total by 2 is my average equal to. Now print equal to comma average. Okay. Now Control S, right click, run. So 40, 50, 90 by 2, 45. Copies. See, /n will give you one line of space like this. This is a space, one blank and 90. So far followed everyone, Satish and the new guy. I guess it's very simple, right? Yeah, great. Thanks, Satish. And yeah, so now I will help you to read your first name, last name. Wait, take another fresh program. SS2, Satish and Sridhar. Okay, back. Program to read your first name, last name, and concatenate to read the data, process the data, print. So that's the structure of the program. So I'm trying to read what? Your name. Simply I'll say first name, last name. No problem. So FN. Tomorrow I will tell you about variable naming conventions. Tomorrow, maybe morning or evening, whenever we are get connected. First name. Raw input is the function. Enter your first name. Cool. Print. Okay, I'll use my raw input. Enter your last name. ln. Print. ln. For 2. ln. Any meaningful sentence here, I can write first name. Yes, Hafiz. Last name. Hafiz. This variable is where you have to give this. This is, and now I want to process concatenate the data. Now what I will do, fn plus ln. Put it in a I'll say full name. Print my full name is full name. Print. And thanks. Control S, right click, run. What I'm doing, first name, Murthy. See, there is no space here. So how do I give a space? That's all. Control S, right click, run. Ramana, and what is space. You can do the beautification stuff. So this is my input, this is my output. I can do some beautification stuff like this. So print. I'll say this, I'll tell it in a different way. Star, maybe 10 times. I can do that. See, previously we did it in a different way. Now I'm telling in a different way. So every day it will be like this. New things. Cool. Like this it is. Cool. Understood? So this is how it is. Yes. Yeah. Okay, cool. So now this put the star till end of the line. Yeah, you can. See, if I wanted to try differently. Like I want spaces. So I have done it. So what I can do, comment, okay, and that will be logically deleted, but physically there. So I want to delete here, and I can even say like this, utility output. So I like seeing things like this. So Control S, right click, run. See, and what is see, I like output like this. But if I give slash n here, this is slightly longer. So slash n, if I give this star and my name ke beech mein, I will get a space, one line. See, now you can make the difference. See, the stars and this much gap. If I feel, I can make it. And if I want, yeah, that's manual. Yeah, correct. So,
Yeah.
tell
See,
me.
actually, I feel like that is manual. I mean, without
Ah.
manual, for example, print if you give a single star, and can we able to, I mean, multiply it up to the end of the line? I mean, can we do that in that logic?
Oh, that
Because,
needs
for example,
programming.
if we are
You can do. You can do. You
okay,
can do. That needs little bit of programming. Program with stars. Yeah.
uh-huh,
So that kind of stuff. So that I will tell you, or you can also type. Yeah.
okay,
Oh. Okay. So one last concept today to give you because we're expecting SSD.py. Okay. Today variable naming conventions. I'm giving variable name conventions. Variable naming conventions is variables can start with A to Z, A to Z. Okay, so they cannot start with numbers. Okay, numbers can be appended like this. So I will give you what are the LLOW variables. Actually, okay, allowed variables are like say name is equal to hello. Okay, name 2 is equal to VARSHAN. Hello, name and okay, first ST underscore name is equal to hello. Okay, so last name 99999 hello, but 88 name 2 name 3 this is not allowed. This is not allowed. So, see, it is giving red mark, not allowed. So, special characters, say SPL, chars, not allowed, like this. Okay, so can you try it? A small assignment I will give. Can you try to perform arithmetic operation? Like today I told you about the plus. Huh? Can you do the same program? I want you to read two variables, like not need not be math and science. Just say where one, where two. Okay, you can give inputs like 20 and 5. So can you add? Try minus into divided by. Get me the total. Okay, sum sub. I mean difference of two numbers and a product and then division. Can you try this for today? Because I want to make it a short and simple session today. Okay, just try instead of plus put minus, store it in a variable display. And again, instead of plus minus, you can put star, store it and divide like that. Cool. Can you guys try today? Hello?
sure.
Hello. Yeah, please try it out because
Yeah,
I
sure.
don't want to overload all in one day only. Slowly we will go. If you like today, you understood, na? Shashidhar and Satish
Yeah,
totally
yeah,
demo.
yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, we
So get in touch. Our team will get in touch with you. Just quickly join and we can get started. We can continue this sessions. Cool. Okay,
and
then. Yeah.
one
Tell
second.
me. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me.
Today is the overview of Python session, right?
Ah,
Actually, in
right.
that the compiler versus interpreter difference is missing. Could you explain that?
I will do that. Okay. See, in overview, see
Hmm.
the Python follows both compiler and it has both compiler and interpreter. Compiler thing is done internally, but
Hmm.
execution part you can see. For example, I write a program and say run. This
Hmm.
internally does compilation and it
Hmm.
goes. and does this internally like this. Now, if the, when you will get the interpreter part is, if I make it as some like this total get my total 1 if I make, and now if I run, it will give me error like sorry you are unable to identify, like this is not identified. Name total one is not identified. So it is giving some error. Why? Because when Python, after interpreting this, it will display the error then and there itself. My 16th line has got an error. Okay. So compilation is internally taken care in Python. So we don't need to, it's like in C language and all, we have compilation. Okay. Full-fledged compilation takes place. Once you compile, you run it. Here, in Java also we have compilation, like Java C file name. Okay, that .java. And then for interpretation, you say Java file name. See, but here only one step. Those two steps are combined internally and then interpret. Okay.
Okay.
Cool. So no worries. Python is simple. Be happy. Python. Okay. Cool. So any other questions for me for today?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
That's
Cool. So let's get connected tomorrow again. Okay.
sure.
And
Okay.
yeah, all the best. My team will get in
Okay.
touch with you. We'll have
Oh,
because I don't want to load all in once because basically Ganesh position is going up. I feel very tough to explain because background
okay.
music is there. A lot of music today. Cool. So we'll see you tomorrow then. All the
Sure.
best.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.